Welcome back everyone to OCL Master Sub Career Guidance. This is part 2 video of career options available after 10th class.
The next career option which we have is humanitarian courses. So these are the courses option which we have for this group. This one and the next one is this one. So here we are not going to discuss each individual combination, but rather than we'll be discussing each of them in detail, like economics and commerce or logic. So what all options are available for those, and these are the modern languages which you can select from, and these are the classical languages which are available. Now suppose you have taken civics as one of the subjects. So various options available are: first is the civil service, that is the IAS or IPS or IFS. About this we'll be discussing it in our later courses, but as of now we'll just give you a brief discussion what are the options available for these subjects. Next is politics. You can become a politician. This is not the only criteria, but this is one of the criteria which is helpful in pursuing a career in politics. Next is law. You can go for becoming a lawyer, be it a civil lawyer or maybe a criminal lawyer, and other options are available in this. Next is political scientist. These people will generate research about the political ideas of a government or maybe a party, and analyzing their policies and what are the trends. So this is what the work is for a political scientist. Next is social service. They generally work for the development of people, like an NGO or maybe in government agencies, and then they oversee whether the work is being carried out properly or not. The next option available is journalism. It includes news reporters, whether it is for a television or maybe a newspaper or even a radio. Their work is more about collecting news about various aspects and then reporting them. Next is the civics marketing. It generally involves marketing for a particular brand which is not very much commercial, and it is also about making the customer feel good about the things which they have purchased. The next option is teaching. So you can be a teacher for school, or even you can be a teacher for the different options which we have discussed. The next branch is economics. With this one you can be an economist. So they deals with managing and forecasting the economy, whether it is for a country or maybe for a company or even for government organizations, and they help in developing ways so that you can develop the economy. Next is a economic researcher. Their work is they research about the ways of developing economic conditions and then introducing new techniques so that the development goes on, whether it is for a company or it's for a country or a state. Next is cost accountancy. They generally deal with pricing for any particular goods or services, so that they generally do a research about the market, and then based on the cost they will incur and what are the other options available in the market. So based on that they'll be doing the pricing or costing of a particular goods or services. Next comes the equity analyst. They generally works under a share market or mutual funds. Their work involves advising people in how to manage their funds or resources so that they can do the best possible investment, and then they guide them so that people can invest their money or funds in proper manner so that they get better returns in future. The next comes the financial economist. Their work involves planning and researching on problems which a company faces because of economic issues or monetary issues. So they generally work on solving this problem so that the company makes a profit or avoid losses. Next is a data analyst. They generally prepare financial reports which helps the manager in deciding what is the proper course of action which they can take regarding the finance of a company, or where they need to put more money or where they can cut down the cost so that the company does not incur losses. Next is a financial planner. Their work involves planning about the various finances, whether it's for an individual or it's for a company, or you can even work in various government agencies or organizations so that the economy of a country or a state is properly planned and carried out. Next is financial risk analyst. They generally involve forecasting the various risks which are involved in a particular process, and what is the money risk a company can take and what will be the effect on it in a future term. This is generally more of a forecasting techniques. They use different scientific methods, and based on that they'll be making their financial reports so that the company can have it as a guideline and then work out accordingly. The next option which we have is the geography group. So selecting geography as one of the subjects, the various career options available here are: first is a cartographer. Their work involves scientific and technological and artistic aspects of developing and producing maps of a state or maybe for a country. The next is a meteorologist. Their work involves forecasting of weather condition, what it's like to be maybe for a next couple of days or maybe for months, or they can even help in forecasting the climatic conditions. Next is a climatologist. This is again similar to your meteorologist department, and they generally deal with the climatic behavior, and then they apply this knowledge for various aspects, like whether it's for global warming or maybe natural disasters, what will be the effect of it, or maybe storms or hurricanes, so that people maybe of the state or the country, they are better prepared, and then they can have planned and executed so that there is minimum loss to the people or the resources available. Next is GIS specialist, that is Geographic Information System. They generally use softwares to digitalize the data about maps so that you can have it, like for example the Google Maps. So it helps people in knowing about a particular geographic condition of a state or maybe for a country, and it helps them in tourism and travel. Also it can be about the traffic conditions also. So it will be all provided on a system so that people can have it handy and can use it, check it whenever they want to. Next is an urban and regional planner. They generally work with government or municipalities for developing new towns and villages, and their work involves making of new building regulations or parks or maybe sewage system or different road building which we can carry it out so that the building or the work which is done in a city or a town is properly carried out, and it's based on future planning, so that maybe after a couple of years they don't face a shortage, or they'll not lead to congestions. Next is a surveyor. Again, this will be generally working for government or maybe for some private real estate companies also. Their work involves measuring and analyzing the data about land, and then preparing a survey drawing about it. What is the climate, what is the geographical situation in a particular place, or how is the soil. All these things will be covered in this group. The next option which we have is history. History, the various options here are: first is archaeology. Their work is mainly excavating and surveying about historical sites, and then based on that studying about various cultures of people, or maybe the founding which they have got. Next is civil services. Again, for IAS or IPAS, generally people choose this as a subject because it's more scoring and less people will opt in it. Next is the historians. They generally work is into teachings or maybe determining the authenticity of various historical data and collecting information about them. Next is archivist. They generally involve assembling or maybe preserving or managing of various historical informations or monuments. They generally work alongside with archaeological department of a country. Next is museology. It deals with museums. They can be managing or administrating work of a museum, or maybe they can even become a exhibition coordinators or museum educationist, or maybe a consultant for various individuals or maybe for a state or a country. The next option which we have is languages. Suppose you are choosing the languages as one of the major subjects. So the career options here available are: first is media and journalism. It includes being a TV anchor or a reporter for various news channels, whether it is for a TV or a newspaper or maybe radio, or even becoming a journalism for various social websites also. Next is publishing. They generally include being an editor for maybe a newspaper or maybe for other publication of books, etc. So there generally involves editing and checking of the data available for the books. Next is ads and public relations. So generally ads, as we have already seen on the TV which comes, so the main object is advertising about various things, or maybe a people or even an object also. And the PR people will handle the publicity campaigns or maybe media inquiries for organizations or maybe a celebrities or even for a particular brand also. Next is theatre and acting. As the name suggests, so it involves acting in various plays or dramas or maybe TV shows, or hosting a TV show, or maybe being an anchor, or being in various TV serials or dramas. All this will be included if you have a command in a particular language, or maybe you have a better acting skills. Next is teaching. So you can be a teacher for any of the languages which you have chosen, or maybe you can even do your research in it, or even you can teach any of this other fields also. The next department is the sociology. Sociology generally deals with the study of development, structure and functioning of a human society and what are the problem being faced by human beings, and then working on getting a solution for it. And the options which are available for it is some of them are: first is a guidance counselor. They generally work in schools or colleges so that they can counsel students for maybe based on their problems which they are facing, maybe for studies or any personal issues which they have. They generally guide them. Next is HR, that is the human resources. Their work generally involve recruiting people or hiring new people, and then managing their payrolls or trainings. This position is available in almost every organization where they need to hire new people and then provide training for them so that they are best suited for the company. Next is a lawyer. Again, you can be a lawyer and then you can fight the cases, and then you can also guide people on various legal matters. Next is a management consultant. Their work is generally freelancing, and they provide solutions for the problems which are being faced in a business, or maybe providing them with answers or better solutions so that the company can maybe develop themselves more, or even avoid the losses, so that or even they can even provide them with solutions if it's a tricky situation also. Generally these people will be freelancing. Next comes the market research analyst. Their work is collecting data and then analyzing it to forecast the changes which can occur in a business, so that the company can make changes accordingly, or maybe develop more based on that. Next is a media planner. Their work is plan and promote a brand or maybe a person in various media, whether it is social media or TVs or maybe news, etc., where they generally promote a particular brand or a individual, that is the celebrities. Next is the policy analyst. Their work is to raise awareness about various social issues, and they generally work for an NGO or maybe government agencies, and then they provide solutions to the problems the people are facing. Next is a PR, it is the public relation specialist. Their work is again handling the public relation of a person or maybe a brand, so that they actually help to create and maintain an image, whether it is for a organization or a brand or maybe for a individual. So that's the work which they cover. And the next department which we have is the public administration. And it comes next is, in this one, is management analyst. Their work is developing ways to improve the efficiency of an organization based on managing the works or people, and then to get the best result for a organization. Next is the public work. It involves planning and organizing or executing various government work, that is the maybe roads or building development or any other problems, and usually maybe a water works or electric department. This all works comes under the public work. Next is a social worker. The work generally done by them is they advise or maybe support people and provide resources to them, people who face problems. Next is the labor management relations. Their work is dealing with the laborers or workers and the upper management, so that they are maintaining a proper relation is being maintained by them, so that the organization works effectively and smoothly. Next is personal management specialist. Their work is they maintain the record of individuals in a company, and based on that it will help the company in deciding the promotions or maybe increasing the pays, and they generally manage the individuals record in a company. Next is the administrative officers. This includes the IAS officers. They generally work for the development of a country, and their work is checking at and planning and executing the administrative work for a country. Next is emergency services. This includes the emergency teams of a country or a state, so that and their work involves working in maybe floods or earthquakes, and providing relief to the individual and helping them out. The next option is music. Suppose you are choosing music as one of the subjects, so these are the different options which you have. So one of them is DJ, that is a disc jockey. So their work involves playing of music, maybe in different shows or maybe nightclubs or even on different public events. Next is an RJ, that's a radio jockey. Their work is similar to a DJ, but their work includes maybe interviews or maybe musical shows or public shows which are generally broadcast on radios. Next comes the sound engineer. Their work is managing the technical aspects of a sound system wherever the music is being played, and then checking about the music whether it's proper or not, and then checking the technical aspects of a music systems. Next is a lyricist or a composer. Their work is they compose or write songs or poems. Next is a music event promoter. Their work is organizing and promoting musical events or shows throughout a country or maybe in a state. It can be for a group or for an organization or maybe for individuals also. Next is an talent scout. They generally host TV shows or maybe at different places, and then they search for new talents, so that maybe it's for an filmmaker or maybe for a audition for a show or something. They generally search for new talents and then help them in training also. Next is a music journalist. As the name suggests, they generally write and report about films or songs or maybe events, and they generally the critics. Then moving ahead to the next, that is the psychology. So it includes a clinical psychology, that is they diagnose and counsel people about the problems which a person is facing in his or her life. Next is a counselor. It can be a general counselor, maybe for a marriage or maybe for a education. It's more like a general field. Generally people will go for some specialization after doing a basic course. Next comes the forensic psychologist. Their work is assessing and treating of criminals based on their psychology, and then they will even report about it to the court, so that it helps in the trial of a person. Next is the organization psychologist. They work in organizations or a company, so that they can solve the problem which a person is facing in his office life, and then helping them out and providing a solution for it. Next is the special education teacher. This includes working with people or students who have special needs, and then helping them out or providing them training so that they can lead the life on their own. Other than that, next topic will be on vocational and defense. So we'll be making a separate videos on both of this so that we can cover more about them in detail. So if you have any queries, please do comment so that we can work on it on the next videos. And this video was done in association with Masters Sub Telangana, and these are the courses offered by them.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Masters of Career Guidance. Have a great day. Thank you.